Oh, I'm so freaked out. My emotions is unreal.
Laura Baker spent the last 3 days grief-stricken after she was told her daughter was dead.
This has been the worst 3 days of my life. I told her 7-year-old daughter that she was dead.
Baker was contacted by the Pierce County Medical Examiner's Office Monday and told her daughter, 24-year-old Samantha Kennedy, had been killed on March 14th in Spanaway when she was struck by a car driven by a Joint Base Lewis McChord soldier. The victim had no identification. Baker went to the medical examiner's office and asked to see her daughter's body, but was told she couldn't. It was only after the body was moved to Mountain View Funeral Home in Lakewood that Baker was told the dead woman was, in fact, not her daughter, but she insisted on going to the funeral home to see for herself.
My sister went in with me holding my hand, and we both scream at the same time. It's not her.
The medical examiner's office released a statement saying the mistake was based on a tattoo described by a friend of Kennedy's who'd been missing for several days, and that the tattoo was similar to one on the dead woman's body. It was assumed the described tattoo belonged to the missing person, the statement reads, but it actually was a description of the tattoo on the body. The medical examiner then identified the victim as Samantha Kennedy. Laura Baker says she's angry that her family was left grieving over a death that never happened.
How can you go around telling people that their kid is dead without proof? Where's the proof?